Can I also can I mention something to the group that I
Yeah,
just
please.
did that was helpful? I know everybody's talking about AI. Here's how I just found AI to be extraordinarily useful for my schedule. So I use Chat 5. So I plug in the Chat 5, hey, for the next 30 days, create a calendar for me that includes X, Y, and Z, right? These are my clients, these are my prospective clients, this is what I'm trying to accomplish. I need LinkedIn posts. I basically put it all in there, said block out lunch from 12 to 1, right? Here's my parameters. It's spit out. It's a type of file. It's like a Word file, but different that you can upload to your Outlook. So I
Wow.
created this whole thing, right? So the next 30 days, color coded schedule, right? I'm not going to live and die by it, but I like time blocking a lot, but that takes some forethought. You then have to
Yep.
plan the day, right? This is let the AI figure it out for you.
Yep.
And you know, it's only been a couple days, but it's already saved me a lot of time, and it just I don't know
That's
whatever
awesome.
hopefully
Yeah.
somebody can.
Can you put are you willing to put maybe your email in the chat if anybody from the group wants to
Yeah.
talk to you about what you're doing? Can they call you or, because I love that. And the other cool thing about that, Michael, is you're able, and what I love about this thing that you've set up is you can now have a win every day, even if you don't close a deal, because you're not starting the day with a blank slate going, well, I don't know, I'm going to work today.
Right.
You know, I'm going to do this, this, and this. And this is so huge for us because we don't know when the wins are going to come, but damn it, I bet it's hard to get through that day, but I bet if you even get close to it, or if you do everything that you were supposed to do in that day, it's like my little goal sheets that I do. You go to bed feeling like, well, hell, I accomplished something, right?
Yeah.
And accomplishing something is as important, if not more important, than winning. The reason why I say more important is we can't control a client buying. We can do our best to influence the decision and be skillful, but at the end of the day, the only thing that we can control is ourselves, our attitude, and our actions. And by you creating that, you are controlling 2 of the 3, and the attitude, the one that's not on that list, will come because of the fact that you're working. Like the most depressed I ever get, me personally, the most depressed I ever am in my life is when I'm not working on something. Which is why I got to be really careful every time I achieve a life goal, because, and I have nothing to do with having babies, but I have a feeling that's where postpartum depression might come from a little bit. There's all this, I'm going to have this baby and I realize they're exhausted and all that. I'm probably going to get in trouble for saying that because I don't know anything. I've never had a baby. But there's also this thing of your whole life for 9 months and then all of a sudden the baby thing is over, and it's like, this is why we need to make sure that we've always got something we're working on. And you just created a way of doing this, Michael, where every day is like a little mini life. And if you don't do it, at least you can be honest with yourself. Well, I didn't do it. Right?
Sure.
You know, so great job. Hats off to you. That's awesome.
Yeah, my papa used to say, do the best job you can today and the rest will take care of itself. And I'm not a goals guy. I don't like to set metrics. I just know that if you do the work, and for me, without structure, you know, you flail. You're like,
it's for everybody.
Now, this puts you on autopilot. Again, the AI is so smart, you know, and if the more details you can give it, the better.
I love everything about it. If I was able to convince you to be a goals guy, I would try and do that. I think it's amazing, but I get it that you're saying it's not for me right now. I think it's like you're having the peanut butter without the chocolate. You put those 2 things together, you got a freaking Reese's peanut butter cup and it's delicious, but that's just me. But I am so proud of you for managing your activities, because it's what it's all about, right? And the universe is all about us just doing the work every day, treating every day as if it's its own little lifetime. And it is shocking. Like when you look at that list, Michael, you're probably like overwhelmed, like, whoa, this is a lot. But then when you start to, it's going to make you conscious of all the other things that you're doing that aren't on that list. And you're like, wow, I had no idea how much time I actually did have. I had no idea how much time I was wasting thinking about what to do. And it's amazing when you don't have to think about what to do.
Yeah, I don't have to think about it.
You don't have to think about it. Like my friend that played football in the NFL used to say, hey, professional athletes, we're transported, we don't travel. And because I was like, man, you're probably used to traveling all the time. He's like, no, right? We're transported. See, sports figures all this stuff out, right? And that's, if I tell these athletes, be here, bring this, your bag has to have these 4 things, be here at 11:07, like they're regimented the same way salespeople should regiment their day, right? So it's, and it's amazing what they can accomplish when somebody, if not them, maps it all out for them. 11:07, I'm eating. 11:19, I'm looking at film. Then I'm going to practice. Then I have 47 minutes to rest and recharge. Then I'm doing dry land or whatever the hell. Like when you can structure your day like an athlete structures their day, that's where you win.
Yeah, no, it's a game changer. Again, the time blocking is critical. This is just a tool to do it, set it up specific for yourself. So